Have you ever wondered what space smells like? It's a question that sparks curiosity and imagination. We gaze up at the stars, but our sense of smell seems forever earthbound. However, astronauts returning from spacewalks tell a different story. They describe a peculiar, lingering odor clinging to their spacesuits. This intriguing phenomenon has captivated scientists and perfume makers alike. Join us as we explore the surprising answer to the question, what does space smell like? After spending hours outside the International Space Station, astronauts return with more than just incredible stories. A distinct, unusual smell accompanies them back inside. Some compare it to the metallic tang of welding fumes. Others liken it to the burnt aroma of seared steak or overheated brakes. This isn't the smell of space itself, as it's a vacuum. Instead, it's the scent of space clinging to their suits, brought back into the space station. What causes this unique odor? Scientists believe it's the result of high-energy particles and radiation interacting with the surfaces of spacesuits and equipment. Atomic oxygen, a highly reactive form of oxygen found in the near-Earth environment, is also a key player. When these particles collide with materials, they can create volatile compounds that have distinct smells. One theory suggests that the smell is due to polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, created by burning fossil fuels on Earth and also found in space. NASA, intrigued by these reports, has even attempted to recreate the smell for astronaut training. The goal is to familiarize astronauts with the scent, enhancing their sensory experience during missions. But the fascination goes beyond the scientific community. A perfume company, inspired by astronaut descriptions, created Eau de Space, a fragrance designed to evoke the aroma of the cosmos. This unique scent provides a tantalizing if unconventional way to experience a bit of space here on Earth. The quest to understand the smell of space is more than just a curiosity. It provides valuable insights into molecular behavior and material degradation in the extreme environment of space, crucial for future missions and exploration. Space may be silent, but it certainly leaves a smell behind, a testament to the universe's incredible chemistry and our ongoing quest to unlock its secrets.